It is Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision and dream to make air travel more affordable to all the people of the country. To make that dream a reality, Ministry of Civil Aviation has unveiled a new regional connectivity scheme, UDAN, Ude Desh Ka Aam Nagrik. The scheme is aimed at operating regional flights by capping fares at 2,500 rupees per hour of flight. That means people can take a flight at 2,500 rupees to travel a distance of around 500 kilometers. During the occasion, Union Minister of Civil Aviation Ashoka Gajapati Raju said airlines will play a key role in this prestigious scheme.
These have to be economically viable schemes within reasonable time. This activity has to be sustained. So we are looking at it in that direction. Of course, there are a lot of stakeholders, and the airlines here play a big part because you can have non-functional airports, but you can't have non-functional airlines.
A first of its kind in the world, UDAN will be based on market mechanism as well as bidding for a minimum of 9 seats and a maximum of 40 seats in a fixed-wing aircraft.
There are many airports in our country, airstrips in our country, where no flights, no scheduled commercial operations are presently going, no flights are going. We want that airlines should start flying to those places. 50 such airports and airstrips over a period of next 4 years at a cost of ₹4,000 crore to revive those airports. We will give viability gap funding and tax concessions to all those airlines who begin flying from those airports. They should cap the airfare for 50% of the seats at 2,500 rupees.
Well, the long-term growth rate for Indian aviation has been between 10 and 11% for the last 15 years. So if we just use that growth rate, in the next 10 or 12 years, we'll triple and maybe even quadruple passenger traffic. By creating the regional aviation market, we are also dramatically expanding the potential for passenger traffic to grow.
Government expects the first flight under this scheme to take off around January. Air travel is not a rich man's option anymore. This was the dream of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to provide affordable air travel to every citizen in this country. And when the first flight rolls out around January, the affordable air journey will be reality for every citizen in this country. With camera person Smruti Ranjan Mahapatra, this is Venkatraman reporting for DD News, New Delhi.